Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna share about Google Analytics. It comes with the Universal Analytics. That's a preview version, which will be going to be sunsetting, which means it's going to be deprecated, and they are stop the processing of data from the beginning of the July 1st, 2023. And let's see what going to be the very different things available here. So I'm having the accounts for Universal Analytics UVA, the property, as well as G4, GA4 property. So this is what the upcoming version of it, and this is what I'm going to go with the Universal Analytics. So I'm having the home screen, which is a dashboard, initial dashboard, showing all these things, and then I want to see that audience details we can able to see, and mobile devices, what kind of a mobile devices my customers has been using to visit my website. So these are like a list of mobile devices they using to visit my website, and I'm customizing it with mobile device info, along with, let me search another dimension, which is called page title. So right now it's supporting with one particular dimension, and it is like a metrics showing number of users for this particular page title instead of an user. And then I'm going to check with percentage of new sessions. So being see 100% it means completely a new customers are visiting here 100%, and then and then the users with new users count will be like this. Then the metric will be other than this one. So I'll search event tracking. So total events for each page. So date events not be there, and user timings, and this is not in a social interaction, actions per social session, that is also nothing. And then goal conversion rate for goal value, and then the goal completion levels. Yep. So these are like completion level of the goal. I set some goals for viewing the pages of the, and then we go into the organic searches. So it will be like the from Google queries, how many pages has been visited. So that topmost Google search, my page title gonna be this is what this thing. Then after this one, then subsequently, if you see, these are like searches is happened with the Google, and then I got the result like this. So organic searches, it is coming from someone did the search and then they landed into the page. Number of sessions per user, this one going to be like, it's kind of decimal values. Okay, the if the new, if the user comes to a particular web page, what kind of a number of sessions they are going back and then coming back to the same page, and then they are visiting a hierarchy, all this will be shown here. The page value, entrances, the page on time will show. So total page of time is totally around 3 hour 42 minutes 23 seconds, and topmost is 51 second for the blog website. And then if they are going into these particular web pages and then in still visiting, everything will be shown the page title with that, against that how many how many hours, minutes they stayed in the particular page. So this kind of an aggregated value. So time on page shows like this, and then average time on page is another thing. So average time on page is like total number of users versus the current page, how many hours or minutes they stayed. So average time on page is 4 minutes 32 seconds. This particular first topmost one is 16 minutes 4 seconds, and then the least bother is 000, which means something like millisecond level. Also they visited my web page, and last numeric digit for the seconds is 5 seconds. Wow, someone has visited my login registration forms in C Sharp Windows in a 5 second. So between in the year 2013, I just created this web page post, and it's been like this. So someone has visited my web page for 5 seconds, which means this is a very bold one, and the number of visitors is coming to this web page is very less. But there's still some people are visiting to it. Thank you for watching.